Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Toyota RAV4 SE Hybrid. Toyota RAV4 SUV with a new mid-range SE trim joins the RAV4 Hybrid lineup for 2022 and slots in between the XLE Premium and XSE models. Let's check about its interior and exterior and safety test by Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. So, stay tuned and enjoy the video. The new generation RAV4 Hybrid dropped the soft design compact crossovers have long been known for and brought in a bold, new look. This design includes an upright stance, a flat nose, a sharp truck-like grille, flared wheels, rugged body cladding, sharp body lines, and more. Several trims in the RAV4 lineup will see new wheel designs, a new cavalry blue color, updated headlamps, illuminated interior switches, and an 8-way power passenger seat. If we talk about the interior of RAV4 Hybrid, we found the new trim steps down to monotone exterior paint, fabric seats, and a 7-inch touchscreen. Heated seats and steering wheel are optional as part of a weather package, while a convenience package upgrades to a 9-inch touchscreen and brings a moonroof and power liftgate along with the parking assistance as well as full control of hybrid system on the screen. The RAV4 Hybrid includes a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor for a combined 219 horsepower. The hybrid models have a 40 combined EPA estimated rating. There is also a rear motor on electric AWD that improves wheel traction without impacting fuel economy. Toyota has been an aggressive adopter of driver assistance features and offers many of them standard across the RAV4 lineup. Toyota RAV4 has successfully completed the crash test in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, with standard automated emergency braking, with pedestrian detection and standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist as well as standard adaptive cruise control. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.